Hello, thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos, and today we're looking at adding and subtracting angles and segments. So first we're going to do the angles here, about 4 of them, and then we're going to do some segments. Okay, so let's start with the angles. Alright, so I'm going to zoom in, and it wants us to find the measurement of angle IJK. So the measurement of IJK, I need to know what that angle is. Well, I know this one's 50 and this one's 73. So I can just add those two numbers up. And that's going to get me 123. So that is the measurement of IJK. I may not always put my degree sign, but it's 123 degrees. Alright, let's take a look at another one. Alright, so on this one, we've got DEG is 96 and GEF is 70. So they don't tell you the measurements, but you can figure them out. So we're looking for the measurement of DEF. It says it right here. DEF. So we need to know what this whole measurement of the angle is. So this one, DEG, is 96. And then GEF is 70. So I'm going to write that in, 96 and 70, and simply add that up. 96 and 70, and I get 166. Alright, let's look at a couple more angles. That's addition there. Now we're going to do subtract. Alright, we want the measurement of YWX. YWX. Okay, they want us to find that measurement right there. And it may look like it's 109, but it's not. That 109 is talking about the whole angle. It's talking about VWX. So this whole thing is 109. Okay, but we need to know just this amount here. Well, I know that this is 67 and the whole angle is 109. So all I gotta do is do 109 minus 67 and we'll have an answer. So the measurement of angle YWX is 42. Alright, now let's take a look at another one. Now again, this one they don't tell us the measurement, but we can write it in. We're looking for the measurement of LMO. LMO. So this is the part that we don't know. LMO. Okay. And we're looking for that. Okay, so to find that measurement, what we're going to do is we're going to take the LMN, which is the whole thing, right? This whole amount here, and it's 76. Okay, and then OMN is this one right here, which is 43. And we'll take the 76 and subtract 43, and that's going to get us 33. So that is adding and subtracting angles. Now we're going to take a look at adding and subtracting segments. Now, with the segments here, they don't give you the lines or a picture at all. But to me, it makes sense just to draw the picture. It makes it easier to work with. So I'm going to zoom in on number 5 here and start with that one. Alright, so it says point G is on the line segment FH, given GH is equal to 7 and FG is equal to 3. Determine the length of FG. Alright, so I'm going to make a line segment. Easy enough. And G is on the line segment FH. So FH with G somewhere on there. And it doesn't have to be exact. Okay. So given that GH is 7, So that's this here, GH. Let me move my G down here. And FG is 3. How much is FH? And FH is the whole thing, so it's simply 3 plus 7. Seems simple enough, and it's easier to see it once you put a picture on there. So let's do another one. Alright, so I've got IK, so that's my line segment, IK. And I got J in the middle of it. And then IJ is 5. And JK is 7. And we add those two together to get IK. And get 10. I'll put a plus sign here so we know we're adding. Oh, did I say 10? I meant 12. Alright. Let's take a look at a couple more. Alright. So here we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to make a line segment here. I got E to G. And I got F in the middle. Somewhere in the middle. And then EG is 12. Now EG is the whole thing. This whole measurement here is 12. Right? And then FG, I forgot to put my F right here. FG is 8. Right? So what I need to know is how much is that amount? Well, I'll just do 12 minus 8, and I get 4. All right, 12 minus 8 is 4. And that's it. Let's do one more here. All right, I got my line segment SU. I got T in the middle. SU, the whole thing, is 19. And ST is 15. Don't worry about it, it's not drawn on the scale, so don't worry about this being that small. So how much is this amount right here? Well, we'll just do 19 minus 15, and you get 4. And that's it. That is adding angles and subtracting angles and segments. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.